So here we have a situation where I should have probably been more careful when I put these boards in the first place. This is right where the door is, and this board has a big knot right here. And it turns out, and you can see it's already, see how weak it is? So it's been that way for a long time. The mats help some, but now that we're redoing the deck and we got it under cover now, this is a good time to remove this. So what I'm going to do is take this skill saw, hold the guide back so it's not in my way. I already marked a line across here, and underneath, that's the floor joist right there. So what I'm doing is I'm cutting on that side of that joist. So I'm gonna, and I like to cut it pretty perpendicular, so it's square. Now I'm gonna start the plunge cut about in the middle. I'd say right there. So the idea is I don't want to cut this and I don't want to cut that. And I have quite a bit of the blade showing. I think enough to get through, maybe a little bit further up. So what I'm going to do is start cutting. I'm holding down on the front and holding the guide. And you have to hold it steady because you don't want this thing to jump or try to go back or anything. Okay, I'm through the back. I'm not through the front yet, so I'm going to move up a little bit, and I'm going to start the plunge cut again. A little bit more. Okay, there we're through. We're good. So the main thing is, you know, eye protection because you're looking close at the blade. Ear protection if you're doing too much of it, and mask if you're inside especially. Okay, so that should come up. I'll get the hammer, pry it up, and then what I'll do, I'm going to put a board on here underneath. I'm going to screw it in like this, and then cut a new board and put a new board in there. It should take care of it.